Okay, question 8. The rectangle below is made up of four triangles. So these are the four triangles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, then we have a straight line PQ. And the area of WOY is 100. So what we can do is that we'll write this down. Okay, so this will help us to solve the questions later. So WOY, please open your eyes and make sure you do it there. You label the correct triangle. So WOY. Okay, so this is 100. And the area of triangle XOZ. XOZ is twice that of triangle WOY. So twice that will be 2 times 100 equals to 2 times let me just erase 2 times 100, that will give us 200. Okay guys, I want you all to see a pattern, okay, or a relationship. When we have this you see, when we have two triangle, okay, in a rectangle, in this rectangle, right, if I have two triangle and the tip are touching each other, so if you look at this triangle and this triangle, what will happen is that they always will add up to half of the total area of the rectangle. Okay, maybe I can just prove it to you. Okay guys, let me just draw a random rectangle, right? Okay, let me just draw a random rectangle. As long as I have this triangle down here, and I draw from the other side, I draw another triangle with the tip touching each other. Okay, guys, can you see that this will always be half? Why? Let me just shade this part first. So the shaded part will be half of the rectangle. Okay, and I'm going to explain to you why. Okay, let me just use another color. Okay, I'm going to cut this into 4. Okay, now can you see that I'm going to label one by one? Okay, if we look at this, right, can you see that this is 1, this and this, they are the same. Okay, so this shaded and this unshaded, they are the same. And you look at the second shape, right? Can you see this 2 and 2, they are the same? And this 3 and 3, they are the same? And this 4 and 4, they are the same. So in summary, right, if you have two triangles in a rectangle on each of the sides and the tip are touching each other, these two triangles, they will form half of the rectangle. And same thing, can you see that the unshaded triangle here, okay, the base is on the breadth and the tip are touching each other. So these two unshaded triangle, they add up also will be half of the rectangle. Okay, so find the area of YOZ. Okay, so in this case, right, guys, we know that half of the rectangle is going to be the two shaded pink triangle, right? So half of the rectangle equals to 100 plus 200. That will give us 300. And we know that this two unshaded triangle, right, is also going to be 300. Okay, so it will be triangle WOX plus triangle W, sorry, not W, let me just erase this. It will be triangle W, oh, sorry, it's YOZ. Okay, it will give us 300. And guys, can you see that OQ, it is 7 cm. So OQ, this is 7. So that means, right, we have the base and we have the height of triangle WOX. So this area down here, we can find it it will be half times 36 times 7. Okay, so we have 126. So that means I can find the area of YOZ. If we just take the total, which is 300, minus of 126, I will have 174 square centimeter. Okay, so that's the answer.